In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily close your Shopify store. Maybe you're going on vacation, doing a big inventory refresh, or making major design changes, and you don't want customers browsing or placing orders while you work. The good news is Shopify gives you a couple of built-in ways to temporarily close your store without deleting anything. I'll walk you through both options step by step. Let's start with the quickest and easiest option, using password protection to hide your storefront from the public. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the section called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. When you do, it will expand and show more options underneath. From that list, click on Preferences. On the Preferences page, look near the top for a section or card labeled Store Access. This is where you control who can see your online store. On that card, you'll see an option called Password Protection, along with a toggle on the right side. Turn that toggle on to enable password protection. As soon as you do that, two new fields will appear. The first is for the password itself. This is the password your visitors would need in order to access your store while it's hidden. Choose something simple that you can easily share with team members or select customers if needed. The second field is for a message to your visitors. This is what people will see when they land on your store while it's locked. You can keep it short and friendly, something like, "We'll be back soon," or "Our shop is temporarily closed while we update our products." When you've entered a password and a message you're happy with, go to the top of the page, near the search bar, and click the Save button. After saving, your store is now hidden from the public. Only visitors with the password you set will be able to get in. So this works well for short breaks or behind-the-scenes updates. If you're planning a longer break, there's another option you might prefer, using Shopify's Pause and Build plan. This reduces what customers can do on your site and can also lower your subscription cost, depending on Shopify's current offerings. To switch to this option, look to the lower left corner of your Shopify admin and click on Settings. Inside the Settings area, look again at the left-hand side and click on Plan. At the top, you'll see a card labeled Plan Details, which shows your current plan. In the bottom right corner of that card, there's a Cancel Plan button. Click that. A pop-up will appear with different options. Among them, you'll see an option to switch to Pause and Build. Choose that option and follow the prompts to confirm, and that's it. You now know how to temporarily close your Shopify store, either by using password protection for a quick, flexible closure, or by switching to the Pause and Build plan if you're taking a longer break.